This How to Draw a Cute Turkey video will show you how to make one with an extra cute face. My name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years, so I'd love to show you how easily it can be done. You'll need these drawing supplies and are welcome to download this turkey tutorial I'll be following too. The link is available on my website, Arch Projects for Kids. Step number 1. This drawing starts with an oval for the body that's going to go about here. Think of it like an egg shape that is kind of tilted and is closer to the left side than it is to the right. Step number 2. Now comes the head, which needs to go here. Try to make it match my size because if it's too small, you'll have trouble adding that really cute eye. Step number 3. Now the head is connected to the body. Start the neck on the left side and make it meet up with the body with a smooth line. Then add the right side and a curve at the bottom. When you have that, erase the line inside. Step number 4. An oversized beak comes next, starting with the side and then the large shape on top and the smaller one underneath it. When you're done, erase the line inside and fix any that maybe accidentally got erased along the way too. And it wouldn't be a turkey without that waddle shape below the beak. You'll need to erase the line inside that shape too when you're done. Step number 5. The back tail shape is going to be large and look kind of like a half circle. Start at the head, make a large curve up, and then down past the body. Connect it at the bottom with a straight line. Step number 6. Now draw a bunch of lines spread out across the tail shape so they look like feathers. I'm going to draw about 7 on mine, but you could add more if you want. Step number 7. Those feathers need a little bit of decoration and a simple ring shape will do the trick. Start with one line that matches the outside shape of the tail. Then draw another line just below it. It's an easy way to add some extra color to your turkey tail. This bird also needs a wing on its side. Draw a pretty large one, as this turkey is rather large, and then add a little curved line inside when you're done. Step number 8. It's time to draw the legs and then the feet of the turkey. I like to start with the 2 legs first, so I know that they will line up at the bottom. Then a foot is added. Start with the outside V shape and then add the toes inside. When you're done with one foot, do the same for the other. Step number 8. Now comes the fun part, drawing that really large eye. Start with a large circle that's about the size of a grape or so. Then draw a large circle inside, which touches the right side of the eye. Now draw the number of shiny spots that you want inside the eye. Mine's going to have 3, 1 large and 2 smaller circles. One last very simple step is drawing a horizon line on both sides of the bird. Step number 9. It's time to trace all of those pencil lines with a black marker. Try to go right on top of them as best as you can. When you're done, it's good to erase any pencil lines that might be showing. You can't do this after the crayon coloring is done, so it's best to do it now. Okay, it's time to color in this turkey. Start by using your black marker to fill in that eye. Work slowly so that you don't accidentally fill in any of those tiny white spots. I think the turkey shape will stand out best if you have 2 shades of brown crayons. I'm going to start with a praying brown crayon that's a little bit lighter. And then I'm going to make the tail a little darker brown by using a Crayola brown crayon. Whatever you use, be sure to press hard so that your turkey is filled in really well. You'll also need to choose some kind of decoration color for your turkey wing and the ring on the tail. I'm going to use a bright orange color. That beak can be filled in yellow, as well as the turkey legs too. And the waddle shape underneath the beak is colored red. Press hard to make this nice and bright too. Now I'm thinking this turkey is made from a lot of dark colors, so I'm going to use an extra light green for the grass. And my sky is going to have the lightest blue color too. I want some contrast with my turkey, and a light shade will do that best. Okay, it looks like this cute turkey drawing is all done. My name's Kathy, and my website, Arts Projects for Kids, where you can find over 700 step-by-step drawing lessons. They include how to draw an easy turkey and how to draw a pumpkin.